Have you ever wondered how to program an LED to blink using the Arduino board? Well, wonder no more. In this tutorial, we will show you how to do just that. This is a great project for beginners who are just starting with Arduino programming. So, grab your Arduino board, some jumper wires, and an LED. And let's get started. First, we need to set up the Arduino Uno board. Connect the board to your computer using an USB cable. Make sure the board is powered on and the cable is properly connected. Next, we need to connect the LED to the board. Let's start by placing the LED on the breadboard. The long leg of the LED is the positive leg or anode, and the short leg is the negative leg or cathode. Connect the positive leg of the LED to digital pin 13 on the Arduino board using a jumper wire. Connect the negative leg to the ground rail on the breadboard using another jumper wire. Now, let's move on the programming part. Open the Arduino IDE on your computer and create a new sketch. Start by declaring a variable for the LED pin. We will call it LED pin and set it to 13, which is the pin we connected the LED to. Next, we will set the LED pin as an output using the pin mode function. Then, we will use a loop to turn the LED on and off in a continuous cycle. We will use the digital high function to set the LED to high for 1 second and then set it to low for 1 second. This will make the LED blink on and off repeatedly. Upload the code to the Arduino board by clicking the upload button in the IDE. You should see the LED blinking on and off repeatedly. And that's it. You've just programmed an LED to blink using the Arduino Uno board. This is just the beginning of what you can do with the Arduino programming. Stay tuned for more projects in the future.